Hello and welcome back to Scale Me Down and to an exciting exclusive where we'll unbox, build and review this Arrows Hobby 64mm F-86 Sabre. This model was kindly supplied for review by Steve Webb Models and it's distributed by J. Perkins. Remember to like and subscribe to support the channel. I really love these little EDF jets and I fly them all the time, so I'm really excited about this one. But let's see first how it went together. Just like other models from the Arrows hobby range, assembly is really quick and simple, although this time we don't need any glue. The parts have a very smooth finish. In fact, at a glance you wouldn't know it's foam. The wings are in two halves and joined with this carbon spar and these plastic inserts. The wings have both ailerons and flaps, so just poke these wires up into the fuselage. They're secured into place with these 4 machine screws using a 2mm Allen key. The elevators have handed servos that are connected with a wire lead, so you don't need any fancy radio gear, just a 5-channel receiver. As we fit the tail surfaces, you'll notice the labelled servo connections and also these special connectors with little plastic clips, so there's no danger of them coming unplugged as you pull the wires tight. The tail is fastened with 3 more bolts, and unlike its smaller cousins, this one is fitted with a rudder. The main wheels clip into position, whilst the nose leg is retained with a grub screw. Whilst the fuel tanks slide aft to lock into position. Next, we'll fit and bind a receiver and then set the control throws. Notice the slop-free ball linkages. The clear instructions make setting the throws and centre of gravity easy. All done, and the assembly took just 15 minutes. It did really only take 15 minutes to put together. It was very quick and easy. Now I've removed the landing gear because the grass is a bit long today, so let's see how she does from a hand launch. For this review, I'm trying out these 50C LiPo packs from Radiant. Solo hand launching is dead easy due to the generous wing area. However, there's no finger grips like there are on the 50mm jets, so I found the best way was to grip the fuselage from behind the wings. There's loads of power on hand, although it's not blisteringly quick, but the flight handling is very precise and predictable, and the slow flight handling is excellent. The stall is benign and predictable, both with and without flaps. The flaps didn't seem to have much effect in flight, but they're probably useful for shortening the takeoff roll if you fly off wheels. This model is a lot of fun. You're going to require a few battery packs. Just on this note, with this 2200 mAh 4S pack pushed all the way to the front of the bay, it still required 40 grams of nose weight, and you get 3 minutes and 40 seconds of flight time. So I would recommend the 2600 mAh 4-cell packs. Trying the rudder now, there's quite a strong yaw-roll couple, so stall turns and point rolls will require practice.
The North American F-86 Sabre was the USA's first swept-wing fighter when it was introduced in 1949, and it saw action against MiG-15 jets over Korea. This model does a good job of capturing the scale outlines and delivers a very scale-like flying performance. I suspect that the dummy underwing fuel tanks are slowing it down a bit, but they are handy to land on. And it skates along on them pretty well, and it should probably protect the belly a bit.
That was fabulous fun. It's not blisteringly quick, but I love the way that this model just grooves. It flies like it's on rails. And I can see that this could easily be my go-to model for this summer. A big thanks to Steve Webb Models for supplying this model for review, and if I were you, I'd get one quickly before they all sell out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.